Hello, this is Paul. Welcome to Loose Boot Woodworking.
What? We're gonna build one of these today. Think about that. The charcuterie board, the charcuterie board action. Hey, I'm Paul with Loose Boot Woodworking, and today we're gonna be building one of these things. You know what? This wasn't even the project I had in mind. This just kind of came along for the ride. You know what I'm saying? All right. So today we're gonna build one of these, and I'll show you step by step what I did. Come on. Like for now. Like, come on. You know, next part of the video. Next part of the video. Come on, next part of the video. Stop watching me do this and watch the next part. The next part. The next part.
So like I said, this wasn't really part of the plan. I actually had this other video I was putting together, and then these little scrap pieces just kind of came along for the ride. So I thought I'd throw them together, see what I got. So let's check this out. And of course, wouldn't you know it, I didn't even get myself gluing these pieces up. But once they're out of the glue up, next step, what are you gonna do? You're gonna run them through the planer, of course. And once that's done, you gotta trim it down to size on the miter station. All right, let's get this board done. This thing is awesome. Look at that. Basically got some oak, some hickory, a little bit of walnut in there. I love that spaltedness of that. I'm guessing that's hickory in there, but anywho, I'm going to use this cutting board oil. It says to put at least 2 coats on. So we're going to put 2 coats on. To generously soak the rag. That's what I'm going to do. And then, oh, look at that. Shine, baby, shine. Woo. Man, that was good. Alright, I'm going to put that 1 coat on. We're going to set it aside. I'm in the middle of getting those other things done anyway. Man, that looks good. So we'll put that aside and let it dry, and then put a 2nd coat on. All right, here we are. We're going to work on our 2nd coat. I'm going to go ahead and put another little douse of cutting board oil on our rag, and we're going to coat this once again with the cutting board oil, all on the edges, ends, soak in really good. All right, and I'll go set that to dry. That's the 2nd coat. After this, I think we just buff it, and it's ready to use. It's so pretty. So pretty.
All right. After 2 coats, we're going to go and wipe it down. And it is done. That is so pretty. What do you think, babe? Thought I'd make a little cutting board off the cutoffs. Ow! I'll take it inside and check it out. See how it works.
Here's a few little glamour shots. Like I said, this wasn't the original plan. I have another project that I'm working on. These pieces just kind of came together, and I thought, what the heck? Let's try to do something else, and I'll take some pictures and videos along the way, and maybe we'll throw in another project in here. Guys, thanks again for coming by. I'm Paul with Loose Boot Woodworking. Please like and subscribe if this content is appealing to you, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.